Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihan. In this video, we will be talking about prepositions in the Kashmiri language. So, let's get started. Andri, Andri, from within. Gagrauchu, Andri Andri, Ath Tokasur Kormut. The rats have cut it to powder from within. Andar, andar, inside. Yat coaches andar chumyon makan. My house is in this street. Tal, under. Yat kulis tal chu hamesh shehjar asan. It is always cooler under this tree. Nish, near. Yichu menish rozan. He lives close to me. Aparim, from the other side. Yichu aparim. He is a foreigner. Yaparim, from this side. Yichu yaparim. He is from our side. At, with. At sığıt kya çuiche? What do you have to do with it? Barkhilaf, against. Ye os hamesh amis barkhilaf. He was always against him or her. Bront, before. ऐसी पजी है ब्रोंट ही yun your. We should have come here earlier. Darmiyani, in between. Daritya labi darmiyan ch kraf. There is a gap between the wall and the window. Pure, up. Yuhund flat chu here. Here becomes here. Their flat is further up. Khatra, for or on behalf. Nokri khatra chu ye darbadar feran. To get a job, he is running from pillar to post. Kun, direction. Chekor kun chui gachun. In which direction do you have to go? Magar, but, however. Me us razma khain, magar mech yad kharab. I wanted to eat red beans today, but my stomach is upset. Months, among or in the midst of. Lempi manzuchu pamposh phatan. The lotus flower plunges to life from beneath the mud. Mans kanye, in the midst of. Anchu angnas mans kanye cycle khada kurmut. He has kept his cycle in the middle of the courtyard. Manzas, in the middle of. Yat parki manzas chu ak tsunt kul. There is an apple tree in the middle of this park. Mansbag, in the middle of. Ath jactus mansbag ch z chand. In the middle of this jacket are two pockets. Neber, outside. Amish cho neber gatsun. He or she is planning to go outside. Frequently, neber in the context of this sentence means a foreign place. Manand, like or resembling. Yichu Merlis Manand. He is resembling his father. Path. Behind, at the back of, or after. Yin path kun vuchak. Do not look back, or don't look in the direction of your back. Pat. After or following. Picture vichna pat. Khyau yimau bat. After watching the movie, they ate dinner, lunch, or food. But kaite pet. Where from? Tsikati pet ak. Where did you come from? Yete pet. From. Yete pet kuta dur chu bus stand. How far is the bus stand from here? Pot. Silk thread for carpets or other clothing. Amish chu patiu ferran. He has a ferran made of silken threads. Rots. Without. Buyis rots levin a year double persate. He, she is worthless without his, her brother. Double persa is 2 paisa. San, in addition to. Ye sofa प्याव में कुशनाव सान वुहन सासन. This sofa costed me 20,000 including the cushions. That was all with regards to prepositions in the Kashmiri language. In case you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button and also hit on that bell icon. We will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.